Domain names play a vital role in establishing an online presence and are a fundamental part of web development and online identity. In this tutorial, I'll demonstrate how you can easily manage your site's domain using your Rapyd dashboard. This is another tutorial under our Tools feature series. From your Rapyd dashboard, click on the site you want to manage. Navigate to Tools, then Domains. Here, you will notice two sections: Environment Domain and Custom Domains. As you can see, I already have a couple of custom domains and an environment domain. After adding a custom domain, your environment domain will automatically redirect to the primary custom domain. When you hover your mouse over your custom domain, you'll see two options: Make Primary and Delete. Let's say I want to set this custom domain as the primary custom domain. Just click Make Primary, and a pop-up will appear to confirm the changes. It shows the existing primary domain and the new primary domain. It also says that all site visitors will be immediately redirected to the new primary domain. And any URL references to your existing primary domain will be automatically updated to match the new primary domain in your site's database. Also, keep in mind that changing your domain name can have major impacts on SEO, as search engines may have already indexed the pages on your existing domain. Upon reviewing the details, proceed by clicking Confirm. Just like that, you have successfully assigned a primary custom domain for your site. And that's all for this tutorial on how you can manage your site domains. Effectively managing domains on the Rapyd dashboard is a straightforward yet powerful tool for controlling your online presence.